This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on how to use your bony to design. Bony is very flexible to use to design fascinator. To use bony, you can use cloth to wrap your bony, and you can use bias to wrap your bony, but you cannot use bony naked like this. You have to wrap it with bias cloth or any material that you want to use to design the art. Then I have my Alice band to make the fascinator. Then I have accessories like rose, this ball to design it. The first thing we are going to do is that you cut this silver cloth to wrap the bony. You wrap it like this. That is how to wrap bony. You can use bony like this. You can create it like this. Then you can fold it again like this. Fold it. It's very flexible. Then take your wax candle to join it. I've joined it together like this. Then you can place it on your fascinator. You put your wax candle on it. The wax candle to gum it like this. Now take your accessories, arrange the flower rose well. Put your wax candle. Then use it to block the joining. The two joining sides. See, you can see the design. Then take your Alice band. You turn it, you put your Alice band in the middle here. Your Alice band. And you can get a small bias to hold the center. You can see it. This is how to use your bony to design fascinator. Just a beautiful fascinator. Please like it and share. Thank you.